I made the decision that it is time to get rid of the mini braids, and I guess the deciding factor was when I realized that there was like 4 braids in my head that are actually locking, and y'all probably don't believe me, but I'm gonna show you. I know you see that, girl. They're locked, you guys. So today we have to get to work. It's time. Y'all, really quick, I just want to tell you guys the new growth with this midi braid style has been insane. You guys know these ones up front I braided pretty much to the scalp, and I actually never redid any of my braids in my hair. I just left them as they originally were braided, and you guys see how much new growth. As I went and found my measuring thingy majig so we can see exactly how much growth I got. So let's see. I want to do one that was really close to the front, especially on the side, because I know these are the ones that I really did close to my scalp. So the braid starts about here, if you can see that. So I'm gonna start there. Yep. Just gonna do a couple just so we can, you know, be accurate with this. And if you want to do this at home, you just want to make sure that you fill from your scalp all the way to where your braid begins, and it's about right here. So let's do the same thing over here. And over here, I would say that I got about 1.5 inches of new growth. And let's take another one from another spot. So I really want to do one of these back here because I feel like these ones in the center grew really, really pretty long. So we're gonna start at the scalp again. And the braid starts about here. So I would say almost 2 inches there. Right there. Oop, let me come out. And so I would say that's about 1 inch. So the actual braids themselves still look really, really good. It's just the roots that are just like out of control. So they had to come down, y'all. But I just wanted to do that real quick so you guys could see the new growth. So this is a great style for if you're really trying to focus on length retention, if you really want to focus on growing your hair, because you're not gonna have to worry about your ends, you know, breaking off, because these are nice and protected ends. You can put it up, you can put it back into a bun. If you haven't already checked out my video on how I showed you how to style these, make sure you do that. I will have it pinned up above in the card, so you can check that out. But this is a great protective style. So I would say overall I gained about 1 to 2 inches of growth. In general, there was a good amount of growth considering the fact that I've had these in my hair for about 3.5–4 weeks. So I think that was a good amount of growth to obtain within 1 month. What I have here with me today is this mysterious bottle. So what I've added to it is my aloe vera juice, which you guys know this is like a staple for me. So this is in there, as well as some of my Advanced Repair Vitamin E Conditioning Oil. It has vitamin E in it, which is great for your hair. It also is like supposed to be conditioning. It has turmeric, aloe, and silk. So hopefully it does something for this hair, because we need a little bit of a slip so that we can detangle in the process. Also gonna like try and give you guys some good tips you can use when you take down your protective style. Number one being, make sure you have a bottle like this, some sort of concoction like this that's gonna work miracles for your hair, girl. So first thing that I'm gonna do is, actually don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I should section it off. Just gonna split it down the middle. I'm gonna split this in half as best as I can, cause like, wow. This just took a turn left somewhere along the lines and I don't know exactly where, but it definitely did. So I'm gonna split this side also in half. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take this section and I'm just gonna spray this section down with my mixture. And make sure it's nice and damp so that you can take these out without causing any extra tangles in your hair. I'm gonna take a clip and I'm gonna just pin this up. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna add just an extra little bit of my conditioning oil to my hands, just so I'm not going in with dry hands, because I'm not trying to get any extra breakage. So I'm just gonna focus that on the end. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start pulling apart. And I'm trying to find the natural flow of things for like how the braid was braided, and it should help me take it out. So just want to start by gently pulling it apart. And then you're going to notice that it will start unraveling quite easily as you work your way up. Get up there. Just like that. All right. And there you have it. That is your first braid out. Like, wow. And I do have my wide tooth comb here. I'm just gonna run it through one time or two. And that's what the hair looks like. So you guys, I'm gonna just keep using this process to take my braids down, and I will be back once this half of my head is completed. Just want to let you guys know, as soon as I am done taking down each section, I do go ahead and twist that up. y'all. This is what my hair looks like after taking them out. This is how much hair I lost from this side, which is honestly not that much. Alright you guys, I am done taking out all 92 mini braids and I'm exhausted, you guys. I am super tired. This is what my hair looks like. Y'all, oof, my hair feels like good, but my scalp is definitely like, you know, it's time to wash it. And so you guys, that's really it. I'm probably going to just twist it up into 4 big twists and call it a night. Make sure you guys stay tuned because in my next video I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash your hair after a protective style. All the steps that you should take to ensure that your hair is nice and healthy and clean after you protective style. So that's what I will be showing you guys next time. So you guys, I do want to show you before we go how much hair I lost. So considering the fact that I had these in my hair for a month, I don't think that's that much hair at all. I'm gonna get my life together and I will see you guys next time.